Hello everyone, and welcome to the first episode of Water Fountain Review. Today we'll be reviewing water fountains around campus. We started with the water fountain down on the third floor. Now we'll be doing the brand new water fountain here on the fourth floor. As you could tell, I really enjoyed that last one. So now we're here on the Dickie Smith first floor, and I'll be trying this fountain, which has two fountain heads. As you could tell, I also really enjoyed the previous water fountain, so now we'll be trying one here on the second floor.
No. Stop it.
Naturally, the only thing left to do is to try the biggest water fountain on campus, so we're going to give that a go. It was okay.